Explore. Use models to multiply. You can use base 10 models to multiply by one-digit numbers. Find 3 times 23. First, we can use base 10 blocks to model 3 times 23. Show 23 by using 2 10s and 3 1s. We need to make 2 more groups of 23 for a total of 3 groups. Next, we need to find the ones. Count the number of ones in each group. There are 3 ones in each group. 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9. So there are 9 ones. Now we can find the tens. Count the number of tens in each group. There are 2 tens, or 20, in each group. 20 plus 20 plus 20 equals 60. There are 60, or 6 tens. So 3 times 23 equals 69.